If you've ever tried editing Grub manually, you already know how risky it can be. One small typo, one wrong line, and your system might not even boot. That's not something most people want to deal with. So in this video, I'm going to show you a much easier and safer way to manage your boot menu using a simple graphical tool called Grub Customizer. This tool gives you full control over your boot entries without touching any complicated config files. Now, let's get started. First, open your terminal. You can do that quickly by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T together on your keyboard. Once the terminal opens, you're going to enter a few commands to install the tool. Just type them exactly as shown on the screen, one by one, and press Enter after each one. Take your time here. There's no need to rush. During the process, your system may ask for your password. Just type it and continue. You won't see the characters while typing, and that's completely normal. After a few moments, the installation will finish. Now you can close the terminal and move back to your desktop. Open your application menu and simply search for Grub Customizer. You should see it appear in the list. Go ahead and open it. When it launches, it might take a few seconds to load because it's reading your current boot configuration. Once it opens, you'll see a list of all your boot entries. This is where things get really simple. You can rearrange the boot order just by dragging items up or down. So if you want a different operating system to load first, you can set it here in seconds. You can also rename entries, remove ones you don't need, or even hide them to keep your boot menu clean. Now, move over to the Settings section. Here, you can control things like how long the boot menu stays on screen before it auto-selects an option. If you want your system to boot instantly, you can reduce the delay, or if you like having time to choose, you can increase it. There's also an Appearance section, and this is where things get a bit fun. You can change the colors of the boot menu, adjust the font, and even set a custom background image. So instead of a plain black screen, you can make your boot menu look exactly how you want. Now, once you've made all your changes, don't just close the app. This part is important. Go to the top menu, open the File option, and choose the Install option for Grub. This step makes sure all your changes are properly applied to your system. Without this, your edits might not take effect. After that, you're done. You can restart your system and see your new boot menu in action. And that's it. No manual editing, no risk of breaking your system, and full control over your bootloader in a clean graphical interface. If you like keeping things simple but powerful, this is definitely one of those tools worth having on your Linux Mint setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.